An unusual and oddly entertaining zombie hack and slash, Lollipop Chainsaw is about a zombie hunter named Juliet on her quest to uncover the root of the zombie outbreak. Now rev up your chainsaws. It's time to watch people despawn. I'm not doing that. It's time to watch people die. It was a rockin' good time while it lasted, but Zed's dead, baby. Zed's dead.
Jeez, so emo.
Those two are gonna have awfully splitting headaches.
Impossible! I can't be beaten by a little girl! I'm a warrior!
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
Amanda from the Saw movies failed at yet another game.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron!
Heavy. Peace out. Way out.
The Undead Disco Inferno.
Wait, hold on. If you kill me, you never see your sister.
No!
Hey! You promised you'd give her back if we won!
You trusted what I said? I'm a mother freaking zombie. Drop the chainsaw now, ho.
Hey, baby.
For me.
Go ahead, Judy.
Looks like you're out of coins, weird voice guy.
Zombie Elvis or Zombie Fonzie, whatever he is even deader now.
Whoa! Whole lot of shaking going on.
After plugging his head into a body, the giant apartment-sized zombie blows up. I think.
I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. More than anything.
Those were all the unavoidable story-related kills on Lollipop Chainsaw. Technically, you need to kill all the zombies to progress to the next stage, but, you know, this is a new series, so we're gonna do all the canon stuff, the stuff that has to happen. My favorite, not to say any of them were really that great, but mine had to be either the Viking or the hippie's death. Only because they were voiced by Michael Roker and Shawnee Smith. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you back here again with more dead video game characters. No, I'm not doing that either. With more dead people. Are you looking for a new horror novel to sink your teeth into? My novel When Was follows a man named John Miller and tells his story as he navigates a world ruled by the dead. Finally forced to live, throughout this story John meets man-eating men, militaristic psychopaths, a silver-tongued madman, and death himself. And out of those few antagonists mentioned, none are as evil as the flesh-eating monsters plaguing the earth. Wind Was is available on Amazon.com for under $9.99. Over 30 chapters, over 500 pages, at an extraordinarily low price. You can check out part 1 of the Wind Was series using any of the links below, and when you're on the store page, click on the preview and you can read some for free. But before you go, who are you acquainted with?